Here we're going to take a look at this vintage Smith Corona typewriter. We are looking at a vintage typewriter. It is a Smith Corona. The parts include a carriage return, a paper guide. They also have a ribbon spool. You have type bars, and this is what you use to type on the paper. These are the metal arms that control the type bars, and they strike the inked ribbon and leave an imprint on the paper. You also have a roller knob, which is used to turn the paper and advance the paper in either direction. You have roller release. You also have carriage return handles and so much more. Here, when you press a letter, so here's G, for example. I'm gonna press G and bam, it types the letter G, but I have to do it hard, so let's see. So it has to kind of like smack the paper. That way it'll produce a letter. So as you see, and there is a ribbon that is also included that has ink on it. So every time you press a letter, the type bar will slam into the paper and it will make a letter. So if you want to write the word dog, you're going to go D, O, and then G. Of course, I'm holding the camera, so I can't place all my fingers on there. So let's go D, O, G. All right, so when you roll it up, you see the word dog is typed. Very cool. I'm getting one more final shot of the Smith Corona typewriter. This is an old school typewriter. How old is this typewriter? I don't know if it has a date on it. Well, it was around since the 60s. You see it's in a box. And the box is still in great condition. This device is over 60 years old. So this is really cool.